In this video, we'll walk through how to create SuiteDash projects and assign tasks, and we'll do it quickly so you can get up and running in no time. Stay tuned because by the end, I'm going to share a competitor that may just be better suited for your needs. First things first, when you log into SuiteDash, you'll want to go to the Projects tab. This is the main hub where you'll manage all your client work. Once there, click Create New Project. You'll be prompted to name your project and give it a description. This helps you and your team understand exactly what the project is about, making it easy to stay organized. Next, let's set up your tasks. Inside your project dashboard, you'll notice a task section. Click on it and then select Add Task. You can assign the task to a team member, set a due date, and even include important details like checklists or file attachments. Assigning tasks is easy, but make sure the descriptions are clear so everyone knows exactly what needs to be done. Next, SuiteDash allows you to set task priorities. Once your task is created, you can go back and edit it to adjust the priority levels. This is helpful when you have multiple tasks and need to keep things organized in order of importance. You'll find options for low, medium, or high priority, which you can adjust as the project evolves. The fourth thing to keep in mind is task dependencies. SuiteDash lets you set tasks that are dependent on others. If you have a task that can't start until another is finished, you can easily link them. This helps streamline workflows and ensures that everyone knows what's expected at every stage. And lastly, tracking progress is one of SuiteDash's strong suits. You can easily monitor how tasks are moving along by checking the progress bar in your project overview. As tasks get completed, you can see the percentage of progress for the entire project. It's a great way to stay on top of things without digging through each individual task. Now, while SuiteDash offers these useful features for project management and task assignments, there are alternatives that do some things better depending on your needs. For example, if you're looking for a tool with more customizable workflows and smoother integrations, we'll cover that shortly. Before I go into that, though, here's the deal. SuiteDash offers a free trial, but through our link, you can access an exclusive and extended free trial with additional benefits that are only available to our viewers. But I've also included some other amazing alternatives that offer free trials and might be better suited for your goal of managing projects and tasks with ease. So make sure to check out the link in the description, try out SuiteDash, and explore the alternatives we've highlighted.